When it comes to finding the best credit card, the options can be overwhelming. Whether you're interested in travel rewards, dining perks, or starting with a beginner card offering enticing welcome bonuses, there's a credit card for you. In this video, I've distilled the vast landscape of credit cards into a concise list of my top 8 choices. My recommendations are based on thorough research and personal experience in the world of finance. In this video, I'll guide you through the benefits, approval requirements, and how these cards can help you maximize your financial potential. Let's start with our first card, the Chase Freedom Flex. This card has long been a favorite and offers an attractive $200 bonus after you spend $500 in the first 3 months, effectively giving you a remarkable 40% cashback on your initial $500 in purchases. However, it's important to note that Chase recently revised the bonus to $150, so act quickly to secure the $200 offer. In addition to the welcome bonus, the Chase Freedom Flex provides 5% cashback on travel booked through Chase Ultimate Rewards, 3% cashback on dining, including takeout and delivery, 3% cashback on drugstore purchases, and 1% cashback on all other expenses. What sets this card apart are the revolving category bonuses. For the current quarter, you can receive 5% cashback at wholesale clubs, for donations to charities, and on purchases made through PayPal. These rotating categories allow you to maximize your cashback returns. Furthermore, this card features a 0% APR introductory offer on both purchases and balance transfers for the first 15 months, making it an excellent choice for beginners. To increase your chances of approval for this card, aim for a minimum credit score of around 660. Moving on to the second card on our list. The Build MasterCard is a unique addition to the credit card market. What makes this card stand out is its focus on helping you pay your rent without incurring processing fees. For those currently renting an apartment, this card is a no-brainer. You can accumulate points when you pay your rent, which can be redeemed with travel partners like Hyatt and American Airlines. The Build MasterCard doesn't offer a welcome bonus like the Chase Freedom Flex, but it compensates for this with exceptional point-earning categories. You'll earn 3 times points on dining, 2 times points on travel, and 1 time points on all other expenses. Additionally, this card features a unique monthly bonus, where all your point-earning categories are doubled on the first day of each month. To increase your chances of approval for this card, aim for a credit score of at least 670. This card is an excellent choice if you want to maximize rewards on rent payments and everyday expenses. Now, let's discuss card number 3, the Capital One Saver One card. This no annual fee card offers a $200 welcome bonus when you spend $500 in the first 3 months. It also includes a complimentary Uber One membership until November 2024, providing 10% cashback on your Uber and Uber Eats purchases for a limited time. You'll receive 8% cashback on Capital One entertainment purchases, 5% cashback on Capital One travel purchases, and 3% cashback on dining and groceries. You'll also earn 3% cashback on entertainment and select streaming services, and 1% cashback on all other expenses. This card is perfect for those who frequently use ride-sharing services, dine out, or order food for delivery. To qualify for this card, aim for a credit score of around 670. Card number 4 is the American Express Gold Card, a fantastic option for food enthusiasts. It offers a generous 60,000 membership reward points as a welcome bonus when you spend $4,000 within 6 months. You'll earn 4 times points at restaurants worldwide, 4 times points at U.S. supermarkets up to $25,000 annually, and 3 times points on flights booked through the Amex travel portal. You'll also receive a $120 restaurant dining credit, a $120 Uber cash credit, and other valuable perks. The annual fee is $250, which can be offset by taking advantage of various credits and benefits. To secure this card, aim for a credit score of around 690. The American Express Gold Card is an excellent choice for those who enjoy dining out and accumulating rewards on food and groceries. Now, let's move on to card number 5. The Chase Inc. Business Cash Card, which is a game changer even for small business owners. It offers a substantial $750 cash bonus when you spend $6,000 on purchases within the first 3 months. This card provides 5% cashback on all Lyft rides, 5% cashback on office supply stores, internet, cable, and phone services up to $25,000 spent, and 2% cashback on gas stations and restaurants up to $25,000 spent. It also offers a 12-month 0% APR introductory period for business-related purchases. As a bonus, you can earn up to 200,000 bonus points annually by referring friends. To qualify for this card, aim for a credit score around 690, although 700 is a safer buffer. Don't dismiss the idea of a business credit card, even if you're a sole proprietor or engaged in freelancing or gig work. Card number 6 is the Chase Sapphire Preferred Card, an excellent choice for occasional travelers. It offers a generous 60,000 Chase Ultimate Rewards points when you spend $4,000 in the first 6 months. This card is beginner-friendly and offers 5 times points on travel purchases through the Chase Ultimate Rewards portal, 3 times points on dining, 3 times points on online grocery purchases, and 2 times points on all other travel expenses. You also receive a $50 hotel credit each account anniversary year, and $200 in partner credits for services like DoorDash, Instacart, and Peloton. To secure this card, aim for a credit score of at least 690. Now, let's look into card number 7, the Capital One Venture X card, which is a great choice for travelers. It offers a substantial welcome bonus of 75,000 miles, equivalent to $750 in cash, and an additional 10,000 miles every account anniversary. You'll earn 10 times miles on hotels and rental cars booked through the Capital One travel portal, 5 times miles on flights booked through the same portal, and 2 times miles on all other expenses. This card provides a $300 annual travel credit, a $100 global entry or TSA pre-check credit, access to Capital One lounges, and various other benefits. Despite the annual fee of $395, this card offers excellent value. To secure this card, aim for a credit score of at least 700. Finally, let's explore card number 8, the Amex Platinum Card. It offers unique benefits, including a Saks Fifth Avenue benefit that allows you to treat yourself every 6 months. The welcome bonus is substantial, offering 80,000 points after spending $8,000 in 6 months. This card earns you 5 times points on flights booked directly with airlines or through Amex Travel, 5 times points on prepaid hotel bookings via Amex Travel, and 1-time points on other spending. It also provides a $200 hotel credit, a $200 airline incidental fee credit, access to the Centurion Lounge, global entry or TSA pre-check credit, elite statuses at Marriott, Hilton, and Hertz, and various other credits. Despite its higher annual fee, the Amex Platinum Card offers a wide range of benefits that can offset the cost. To secure this card, aim for a credit score of at least 690. By having one or more of these cards in your wallet, you can maximize the rewards you earn on your everyday spending. The welcome bonuses alone have the potential to yield a value of $4,000 or more. If you're looking to add a new credit card to your wallet, one of these options is sure to be a perfect fit for your financial goals. We'd love to hear your thoughts on today's video. Did it leave you inspired, intrigued, or reaching for your wallet to sign up for a new card? Feel free to share your comments, feedback, and any questions you might have in the comment section below. We genuinely want to hear what's on your mind. Before you go, please like the video, subscribe for more financial insights, and enable the notification bell to stay updated on all things related to finance.